Hello and welcome to this short video on alpha testing and beta testing. They are types of testing and you should know what is alpha testing and beta testing if you work for a product company. I will explain alpha testing, beta testing and difference between alpha testing and beta testing. Several software companies release standard products, meaning off-the-shelf products. For example, operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, Android, or different apps to the users. Such companies have a software release life cycle with phases like pre-alpha, which has development releases, alpha, which is tested in-house by a small number of testers, users or customers, beta. After the bugs found in alpha testing are fixed, the beta software is released to a larger set of people. What is beta testing? It is testing the beta version before identifying a release candidate and later on a stable release for general availability and production. With this overview of alpha testing and beta testing in software engineering, let me tell you the difference between alpha and beta testing. There are many differences between alpha and beta testing. Alpha testing in software testing is done in-house by the development organization. Beta testing is done by external testers who are outside the development organization. Alpha testing is closed to the public, but beta testing can be closed or open. Open beta testing means that anyone can participate in that beta test. In alpha versus beta testing, independent testers or even customers do the alpha testing, and customers, prospects or interested users do the beta testing. Alpha testing is on a small scale versus beta testing, which is on a larger scale and needs more planning and control. In alpha testing versus beta testing, alpha testing focuses on functional testing, but beta testing focuses on functional testing as well as performance testing and usability testing. Alpha testing is also called pre-beta testing because it is done before beta testing. Beta testing is also called field testing because it is done outside the development organization. Alpha testing in software engineering is internal user acceptance testing, but beta testing is external user acceptance testing. The software version tested in alpha testing is called alphaware. In beta testing, the software version that is tested is called betaware. The last difference is that alpha testing is paid testing done by testers who are paid by the development organization or the customer organization. Beta testing is typically free testing, or the beta tester may get early access, a free product, discount or other incentives. I posted a poll on alpha testing and beta testing in my software and testing training channel, and here we can see the poll. Alpha testing and beta testing are a part of, and there are 4 options: development testing, meaning unit testing, integration testing and nightly system testing; user acceptance testing; software release life cycle; options 2 and 3, which is user acceptance testing and software release life cycle, or none of the above. So many subscribers have participated in this poll, and it is correct that alpha testing and beta testing are a part of user acceptance testing. The difference is that alpha testing is internal user acceptance testing and beta testing is external user acceptance testing. So this option is correct, but as I showed you in this video, alpha testing and beta testing are also a part of software release life cycle. So we can say that this option is correct, user acceptance testing, but the best option is that alpha testing and beta testing are both a part of user acceptance testing as well as software release life cycle. So this is the best option. I hope that now you have an idea about what is alpha testing and beta testing and their differences. Thank you.